The Italian method involved the use of a prepared soil base. Textured primer, which was not white, was often used. The ground was grey, but more often it was still the colour of the future colour, the picture. Brown, dark, red shades were used. Often it was either watercolour or tempera, which I used in this work. After the intended drawing, if the shadows are not required additional darkening, underpainting was carried out using two paints, white and black or white umber. This is the so-called dead layer of grisaille, that is, on which a coloured saturated layer will be made with thin layers of colour. In the dead layer the shapes were worked out without any work with colour. There was a contrasting one for the paintings. There was more white in the light parts, less white in the shadows. Well, of course. In the shadows the dark primer often showed through, the one we prepared ourselves, in shades of dark red or brown. From under the cold, dead layer the warm colours of primer come through, those dark red tones, the shades that we did at the beginning. They touched the whites, which were in their turn cold. Because of this we achieved this form. If our light is cold, then it should be warm in the shadows. Well, as if according to physics such are the rules. Our eye automatically looks for this balance. After drying, the main colours were layered thinly in the shadows without white. They could be complemented by white. The saturation of the light was achieved by the final glazes. Even though this work is 30 by 30 centimeters, it was an incredibly interesting experience and colossal work. Well, for 4 days I drew for several hours exactly, of course, with breaks. I was very tired. If this was the Italian method, then the next one will be Dutch or Flemish. It is quite popular. I would even say more popular than the one we saw today. In general, techniques like the Italian and Dutch ones, they allow you to demonstrate the greatest ability of painting, its greatest disclosure, and there is nothing like it. Solve these methods, know them, be able to use them, and make your painting better. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I hope it was interesting and useful. So, until we meet again, bye bye.